everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the volume on your PC using both shortcut keys and Windows settings. Super easy and super useful. Let's get started. Method 1. Shortcut keys. Laptop/keyboard. Most laptops and modern keyboards have dedicated volume keys. 1. Look for keys with a speaker icon, usually on the top row, F1, F2, F3, etc., or on the side of special keyboards. 2. Press the volume up key to increase sound. 3. Press the volume down key to decrease. 4. And press the mute key, speaker with a cross, to instantly mute/unmute your sound. On some laptops, you may need to hold the FN key along with the volume keys. Method 2. Taskbar volume slider. Another easy way is from the taskbar. 1. Click the speaker icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. 2. You'll see a slider. Drag it left to lower the volume or right to increase it. 3. You can also click the speaker symbol to quickly mute or unmute. Method 3. Windows settings. If you want more control, open Settings. 1. Click Start menu, Settings. 2. Go to System, Sound. 3. Under Output, you'll see a volume slider. Method 4. Advanced tip, Per app volume control. Here's a bonus tip. Right-click the speaker icon and select Open Volume Mixer. This lets you adjust volume for individual apps, like lowering just your browser volume while keeping your music app louder. And that's it! Now you know how to adjust the volume on your PC using shortcut keys, the taskbar slider, and Windows settings. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.